What should I do if I accidentally remove the wrong device during screen mirroring?
Hello, there. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that can occur during screen mirroring, accidentally removing the wrong device. Don't worry, it's something that happens to the best of us. Luckily, there are steps you can take to get back on track.
What happens when you remove the wrong device?
First, let's understand the problem. When you're screen mirroring, you're essentially sharing your screen's content with another device. If you mistakenly remove the wrong device, your content is no longer shared with it, which means the screen mirroring connection gets disrupted.
How can I reconnect the device?
Reconnecting the device is usually straightforward. Here's how to do it. 1. Go to the screen mirroring settings on your source device. 2. Select the option to add a new device for mirroring. 3. Find your removed device in the list that appears and select it. 4. Complete the pairing process as you would have done initially. Remember, if the removed device doesn't appear in the list immediately, you may need to make it discoverable. Check the device's settings to ensure that it's ready for a connection.
What if I still can't connect?
If you're still struggling to reconnect your device after following the steps above, you might have to troubleshoot the problem further. Consider the following options. 1. Check both devices for any software updates. An outdated system can cause compatibility issues. 2. Restart both devices. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve any lingering connection problems. 3. Ensure your devices are within range of each other. Screen mirroring typically requires close proximity. Accidentally removing the wrong device during screen mirroring can be a little frustrating, but as we've seen, it's usually a quick fix. So, don't stress. Take your time, follow the steps we've discussed, and you should be back to sharing your screen in no time. We hope this video has been helpful.